Good morning student, myself Rajni Madhukar. I am once again welcome you to in your online classes. Now student, we continue our work and what we are doing in this lecture. In this lecture, I explain you remaining part of the chapter number 18. What is the chapter name? Pollution. But before that, we recall something. Whatever I explained you in the last lecture, which thing we will discuss? In the last lecture, we will discuss about the meaning of the pollution. What is the pollution? Nature gives us so many things, and some factors or some things made our nature or our environment. Clear? But what is the environment? Once again one question comes in front of us. What is the meaning of the environment? Environment means whatever the things are present in our surrounding. Clear? What is present in our surrounding? If you come out from your house, you have to see so many things. Tree, plants, so many buildings, different types of birds, different types of animals, human beings also, animals, different types of animals we have to see in the environment. Clear? So these things makes our environment. Means living beings. What are the living beings? Those things are walk, move on the earth. Human beings, animals and different types of birds. These are the plants also. These are the living things. So these things makes our environment. But this is the one part. We are live on the earth. But nature is the different thing. That is made by the environment. Clear? Environment made by the plants, trees and three more important things, that is soil, air and water. Without that, animals, human beings, birds, not live on the earth. So the air, water and soil. What is the importance of the soil? We grow different crops. We also live on the earth. This thing made by the soil. Now after that, animals, plants are the source of the air. So these things they have a place on the earth. But air, water and the soil, these things are the most important on the earth. Soil make our environment because different types of plants and trees grow on the soil. After that, air most important for the all living beings, human, either it is animals or birds or plants also need air. Clear? To live on the earth. So this is the importance of the air. After that, water is the most precious source, a most precious thing on the earth. This water importance for the all living beings, all the things required water. Animals need water, plants need water, human beings also need water, animals and birds also need water. So these are the factors make environment. But something happened wrong or something doing wrong things by the human beings. So the air become polluted. Some dirty things mix in the air. So air become polluted. After that, if you mix any garbage or any unwanted thing in the water, the water become polluted. If you mix unwanted things in the soil become polluted. Clear? So this is the meaning of the pollution. If unwanted things mix in the environment, so we say the environment become polluted. Clear? After that, next thing is, what is the pollutant? If unwanted things mix in the environment, so we say this is the pollution. But which thing create the pollution in the environment? So the factors those are polluted the environment, we give them name, that is the pollutant. Pollutants are the substances that make our environment polluted. Clear? Now, after the first types of pollution, source of the pollution are different thing. And what is the effect of the pollution? We will discuss in this lecture. But the first types of pollution, that is the air pollution, we already discussed about that. If any unwanted thing mix in the air, so we say this is the air pollution. Now, we also discussed about the effect of the air pollution. Today, we will discuss about the water pollution. Today we will discuss about the water pollution. Water is the main factor of the environment because all the living beings need water. But if any unwanted substances mix in the water, so we say the water is polluted. अगर कोई गंदी चीज पानी में मिल जाती है, but what are the dirty things? That is the created by the human beings. Because all the things doing, so many activities doing by the human beings and the animals. So this thing make our water polluted. How the water become polluted? There are so many sources of the water on the earth: river, pond, lake, well, tube well. These are the sources of the water. If any unwanted thing mix in that water, suppose you throw the garbage in the river, so automatically the water become polluted. If you destroy the waste material of your house, automatically the water become polluted. So these are the sources of the pollution, but some more points also given in your textbook. For that you have to open the page number 121. For that you have to open the page number 121. Okay, page number 121. On this page water pollution given, this page water pollution given here, and so many pictures also given which thing make water polluted. For the explanation, first we read the meaning of the water pollution. What is given here? Heading: water pollution. The mixing of unwanted elements in the water sources is called water pollution. If any unwanted thing mix in the water of the river, pond, lake, the place where we get water, we found water, that is the source of the water. Okay, so if we throw the garbage in the river, we say the water become polluted. So the mixing of unwanted elements, what is the meaning of the element? These are the things. Garbage is an element. If you throw the or flow the wastewater of your house in the river, so we say the element that is the dirty water. After that, if you flow the chemicals in the river, each and every factory or each and every industry produce so many things. So for that they use water. After using the water, they flow the water in the river. So the chemicals make the water polluted. So these are the elements: chemicals, garbage, waste material of the house. After that, so many activities human beings doing in their daily routine. So it make water polluted. After that, we use all the sources of the water on the earth. Some places people take a bath in the river. Also their animals take a bath in the river, or they wash their animals in the water of the river or pond or lake. So these activities make water polluted. These points given: if you are washing your clothes in the river, use detergent for the washing the clothes. This thing make water polluted. After that, on the festival time, people flows all the pujan samagris, okay, pujan material in the river. This thing also make our water polluted. So the points is given. Once again I read for you whatever I explained you before the few minutes, that thing given in the textbook. Clear student? On the page number 121. First point, what is the causes of the pollution? Water pollution. क्या कारण है water पानी गंदा होने के? First, washing clothes and utensil in water bodies. What is the meaning of the water bodies? Sources of the water. We get water from that place. From the dead place. Clear? Washing clothes and utensil in the river, pond, lake, well. These are the water bodies. So this thing make water polluted. Now the bathing animals in the pond and rivers. If the animals bathing in the river or pond or any source of the water, so that thing make water polluted. After that, waste from the houses, factories, offices, etc. is often poured into the river. Means waste material from the houses, industries, factories, they flow all the things in the river. So these things affect the which thing? Aquatic animals. Means animals those are live in the water. So this thing affected their lives. Dumping of garbage into a water source. If you throw the garbage in the river, so this thing make water dirty. Immersion of idols of gods and puja materials. जब पूजा होती है, वेस्ट मटेरियल होता है, तो हम क्या करते हैं? नदी में बहाते हैं उसको, कि किसी के पैर नहीं लगने चाहिए, है ना। मूर्ति विसर्जन करते हैं। इमर्जन ऑफ आइडल्स मीन्स मूर्ति पूजा करते हैं ना। गणेश जी की मूर्ति हम लाते हैं घर पे, फिर उसको कहाँ लेके जाते हैं? नदी में। सो दिस थिंग मेक आवर एनवायरमेंट dirty. Our water become dirty from this activity. But now at present, school teacher, your art and craft teacher give you suggestion कि please make the idol of the Ganesha with soil, with clay. आपको कैसे बनाना है मूर्ति? मिट्टी से बनानी है. So automatically the soil dissolve in the water and water becomes safe. Clear? Now the effects. Clear? What is the effect of the water pollution? It makes water unfit for drinking. It makes water unfit for drinking means if you throw the continuously garbage and chemicals in the water bodies, so this water not become safe for the drinking. Polluted water causes diseases like jaundice, diarrhea and typhoid. What is the effect of the polluted water, it makes so many diseases in our body. It spreads so many diseases, damage our internal body parts, because so many impurities mix in that water. So it automatically affects our internal organs. Now page number 122. It leads to the death of the aquatic animals and plants. Yes, animals and plants that is survive in the water, or automatically it affected them. Fish from the polluted water bodies are unfit for our use. Yes, if you eat the fish and the fish affected from the chemicals, or that fish live in the very dirty water, so that fish is not good for your health. Method to control. How we should control the water pollution. Some points given here. Page number 122. Avoid animals bathing and washing clothes in water sources. Means whatever we are doing, or what is the causes given in the textbook of the water pollution, we are doing opposite of them. Means don't take bath in the river and avoid the animals bathing and washing utensils in the river. Do not throw the garbage and poisonous chemicals in the water bodies. Means what is the causes? We are doing opposite to them. Clear? Next thing given, soil pollution. What is given on the next page? 122. Soil pollution. Soil is the main factor of the environment. What is given in about the soil? The dumping of wastage into the soil is called soil pollution. Means you are continuously dumping the garbage on the earth. So that thing destroy the fertility of the soil. And if the people growing crops on the particular field, automatically they stop growing crops and make there so many buildings or colonies. So this thing affect the percentage of the crops. So what is the meaning of the soil pollution? If the dumping of wastage into the soil is called soil pollution. The wastage from homes, factories and agriculture fields are thrown, which get mixed with the soil and spoil its quality. Yes. All the soils are fertile. Means हम किसी भी मिट्टी में कुछ उगा सकते हैं. But if you continuously throw the garbage on the place, so it destroy the fertility of the soil. Causes. What is the causes of the soil pollution? Excess use of fertilizers and pesticides. Means if you want to grow crop properly, so for that you use pesticides and fertilizers. Fertilizers make the crop safe and the plants become more fertile through that. And pesticides we spray for the removing the small insects. So two things we use for the crops. And this thing beneficial for the plants but not fit for the soil. Second point, dumping of garbage, harmful and non-biodegradable waste into the soil. Dumping of garbage, yes, कचरा अगर हम बार बार फेंकते रहेंगे. And non-biodegradable means polythene, plastic, these are the non-biodegradable. ये कभी मिट्टी में घुलते नहीं हैं, मिट्टी में पड़े रहेंगे लेकिन वहाँ से खत्म नहीं होते हैं. So this thing make our environment and our soil unfertile. Deforestation leads to the soil erosion. Deforestation leads to soil erosion. If you are continuously cut the forests and make their houses on that place, so it automatically destroy the soil, destroy the land. Affects. It can cause brain problems, kidney failure and other problems in our body. Means what is the effect of the soil pollution? It can cause brain problems, kidneys failure and other problems in our body. In polluted soil, plants do not grow. If the soil is not fit for the plant, so that on that place all the plants become dead. क्लियर? अगर कोई मिट्टी अच्छी नहीं है तो वहाँ पे अगर हम पौधा उगाएंगे तो सारे पौधे मर जाएंगे. In polluted soil, plants do not grow. It affects the growth of the plants. Means if the soil is not fertile, or so many unwanted things is present in the soil, so that place is not suitable for the growing plant or crops. How do we should control the soil pollution or land pollution? To throw the garbage in a dustbin, means don't throw the garbage in the open space. If you want to throw the garbage, so in the place of the open area you have to use dustbin. Next, avoid using poly bags, instead use cloths or jute bag. Means avoid the polythene bags. Clear? In the place of that bag you have to use cloth bag or jute bags. Recycle waste material. Recycle waste material means if you this thing doing by the municipality corporation of each and every place in whole country. गीला कचरा, सूखा कचरा, ये क्यों इकट्ठा होता है? So the municipality corporation use that waste material in the different ways. Clear? So these are the recycling. Means one time you use that thing and after that you have to after the some process you again use that thing in the different way. Clear? This is called recycle. Use environment eco-friendly items. Eco-friendly item means avoid the polythene, don't use chemicals for the crops, don't use pesticides. In the place of that you have to use eco-friendly items. Eco-friendly item means in the space of the fertilizer you have to use biochemicals that is made by the dung of the animals. Prepare the fertilizer at home and mix them in the soil. Clear? Compost pits should be made to convert waste into manure. Means this is the name of the process. Use the waste food item, the leaves of the plant. After that, waste material of the vegetables. Collect them in a one place, make a pit and destroy there. After sometimes you get manure. That manure is the purest manure because this is made by the natural things, not made by the chemicals. Clear? So it's automatically make the soil fertile. One point here given, we celebrate World Environment Day on the 5th June. Okay, World Environment Day. But not one day we are doing so many things for the nature. In the daily routine, if we take care about some activities, So we not destroy the environment. Human beings, basically I am talking about the human beings. If the human beings improve their some activities, so automatically the environment become safe. Noise pollution. Excess, next thing given, noise pollution. Noise means चिल्लाना, शोर. So this is the third types of the pollution. Excess and unwanted sound in the environment leads to noise pollution. Means if you listen to music, to you have to listen that music in the mute voice or slow voice. Or if you want to talk with anybody, so don't shout in front of them. You have to make in the polite way. But this is the activities of the related to human beings. Some activities also doing by the human beings, but they use the some things also for that. One is causes loud music during marriage and festivals. Yes, during the marriage time or in any festival times, we are using so many big speakers and play the music. So this thing make environment polluted. And which types of things happen? Noise pollution. बहुत ज़्यादा शोर होता है. Excess honking of horns. If any horn in your vehicle, so that time when you require the horn, that time you have to push the button. But some people unwanted make unnecessary noise or honking the horns. Unnecessary horn को बजाते हैं. तो this thing make our environment polluted, means noise polluted. Loud noise from the airplanes, trains, construction machines and the industries. Means machines are making so much noise. Rail, bus, car, if anything ride on the road or on the track, so it automatically make the noise. Affected. Noise of the vehicles in the factories. Affected, it causes hypertension or high blood pressure. Clear? Because each and every sound attack on the ears, enter on the ears, automatically it affect the our capacity of the listening. And some other things also created in our inside of our body. Hypertension, high blood pressure. It can hurt eardrums and make us deaf. Eardrums, these are the functional part of the ear. Through that the ear accept the sound. Eardrums. Through the eardrums we send the message to our brain. क्या सुना हमने, वो eardrum से ही हमारे brain तक जाता है. Clear? So eardrums make us deaf. हमें बहरा बना सकता है ज़्यादा शोर. It can reduce our sensitivity of hearing. If you are continuously live in the noise, तो it affect your capacity of the listening. सुनने की क्षमता पे असर करता है अगर हम शोर में ज़्यादा रहते हैं तो. Clear student? तो these are the effect of the noise pollution. Now the method of the control. तो unnecessary use of the horn should be avoided. When you require the horn, that time you have to honking the horn. Sound of the loudspeaker in music system should be kept low. If you want to play the music on the any special time or any marriage function or any temple or any mosque, that time you have to reduce their sound. कम आवाज में उस म्यूजिक को चलाना चाहिए, उस चीज को चलाना चाहिए. Honking of horns in silent zones must be avoided. Some boards on the road there and some marks also making there. Suppose this is the horn. Okay student, This is the picture of the horn and one, and these types of sign is making on the road. The meaning of this sign is means you don't honk the horn. आपको यहाँ पे हॉर्न नहीं बजाना है. This place is hospital or any school. So on that road, if you want to go through that road, don't use their horn. Because in the hospital there are so many patients is there, and in the school there are so many students study there. So that on that area this sign you also see. Clear? So student, your chapter finished here. Today we will discuss about the which types of pollution: water pollution, soil pollution and noise pollution. In this chapter there are so many types of pollution given. First is air pollution, second one is water pollution, third one is soil pollution, fourth one is noise pollution. And how this thing affected by the unwanted elements, we will discuss about that in this lecture. Already we will discuss that is what is the causes of the soil pollution, what is the effect of the soil pollution, how we remove that pollutions. Soil pollution related to soil, air pollution related to air, water pollution related to water, noise pollution related to activities that is doing by the human beings, animals. Clear? Now, first thing air pollution already we finished. Next water pollution already we finish that. Now the soil pollution. If unwanted things mixing in the soil, so we say this is the land pollution or the soil pollution. Clear? What is the causes of the soil pollution? If you destroy the garbage continuously on the open space or on the soil, in the soil, after that if you are throwing so many chemicals in the soil, or you use pesticides or fertilizers for the crops, so that thing make our soil unfertile. Clear? After that, second type is noise pollution. Noise pollution is related to human activities. At present, this present time is fully running by the machines. Each and every place we have to use machines. If you want to go one place to another place, you use vehicles. If you want to talk with anybody, you use mobile and phone. If you are doing any work that is not happen without the machines, if the machines are run, it automatically make the sound. If this sound is not fit for your ears, so we say this is the noise pollution, because the capacity of the hearing only God give the human beings and the animals and the birds. सुनने की क्षमता किसको दी है भगवान ने? जानवरों को, इंसानों को और बर्ड्स को. So their activities make the environment very noisy. बहुत ज़्यादा ही शोरगुल भरा बना देती है. Clear? What is the causes of the noise pollution? Using of the speakers in the special time. After that, using unwanted horn, honking of the horn, and there are so many activities doing by the human beings. If the bicycles, vehicles, train, bus, aeroplanes, runs, so they make sound. So we say this is the noise pollution. Clear? So student, here our chapter completed, and I told you have to read the chapter at home, revise all the things. Now in this lecture we finished our explanation part. I finished my explanation part of the chapter number 18. Clear student? And I give you homework. Read the chapter number 18 at home, and what is the problem? Call me, and I hope you understand what is given in this chapter, because this thing we also discussed in the class 3. Already we discussed about that. Pollution, that is the last chapter in the class 3, and in this class also this is the last chapter. Clear student? So I hope you understand the whatever I explain you in this lecture, and you also take care of yourself, use the mask and follow the social distance, eat healthy, drink healthy and do well. Play a lot, but with that you have to also do the study. Follow the instruction that is given by your parents. Clear student? And your test also come on the 1st of the Feb. Your PT4 will start. So I hope you are preparing yourself for the examination, and I also sent you your syllabus. Your syllabus for the PT4 is chapter number 14 and 15. What is the name of the chapter number 14? Roots and flowers, and the 15 is water, different forms of the water. So you have to read that chapter for the test. Clear student? I hope you follow my instructions. Bye. Have a nice day.